To fix the Frigidaire washer error code E41, it's essential to understand what this code indicates. The error code E41 signifies an issue with the washer's door lock. Several common causes of this error code include a defective door latch assembly, a blocked drain pump, or a faulty main control board. To resolve this issue, one possible solution is to replace the door latch assembly. This involves locating the assembly at the unit's opening, removing the securing clip, and pulling the seal to access the screws that hold the latch in place. After detaching the electrical connections, the old latch can be removed and replaced with a new one, which is then secured with screws and reconnected to the electrical connectors. The door seal and retaining clip can then be reinstalled. Another solution is to unclog the drain pump, which is typically located at the base of the unit's drum. This requires detaching the electrical connections, removing the clamps that link the pump to the water inlets, and cleaning out any debris that may be blocking the pump. Once the pump is clean, it can be reattached to the electrical and water connections. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the main control board, which involves lifting the unit's top panel, photographing the board's connections and wirings, and then detaching and unscrewing all the wirings and electrical connections. The new control board can then be installed, and the wires and electrical connections can be reattached according to the photograph. Finally, the access panel can be reinstalled, completing the repair.